3, 2, 1. Last 1 minute.
Wala po tayong age limit dito. Whether be young or too old, as long as you're physically fit. Makikita po natin ang San Jose na Botas. Napakabata po nila. Pero po yata isa 15 years old lang. Ito pong nagdadala ngayon nagbubuhos, ito ngayon nagbubuhos, bata-bata po.
Last 30 seconds.
Pati po ang San Jose, Mandaluyong pala, mga batang-bata.
Last 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, there you have it. The two San Jose teams.
San Jose Navotas and San Jose Mandaluyong. Magusukatan po muna tayo. And while that's happening, Philippine Red Cross and Newmarket volunteers, please stand by. From the Philippine Red Cross, we have Eric Talavera, Aldrin Pakpak, Andre Cua, Gestoni Destura, Buboy Ventura, and Robert Grialbo. Sorry. Alright, from Newmarket, ayun po sina RC Chuateco, John Paul Hall, Luz Sudan,